want the world, yeah, I want the world. Yeah, I want it all, said I want the world. Yeah, I want the world. I'm coming to get it, don't care what you heard. Don't care what you heard. I'm taking it all cause I want the world. Yeah, I want the world. Yeah, I want the world.
You don't want to ride it and find out something's wrong with it. Yeah, we don't want to.
And box of carrots go out to those on active duty today.
Yeah.
Do we have any veterans on board? Is there Let's give these folks a big round of applause. Thank you for serving our country. And God bless each one of you. In Alaska in 1977, she was sold to an East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City, Tennessee. And that's when she officially became known as Cinderella. Folks, look up at our engine, wave at our engine here, Casey. He likes that.
This is completely flat, now they're making it not flat again. See?
The Cinderella's been here at the park.
Yeah.
From
Well, it
Silver
took
Dollar
them a year and a
City
half to make this
to
completely
present
flat,
day
and now they're
Dollywood to
making it not
continue her
flat.
tradition of hard work. And sit back and relax and enjoy this cool breeze. And listen to see the air she pulls us up the mountain.
Whoa, yeah, they are.
That'd be That's the new area right there.
Huh?
To your right is Wildwood
Yeah,
Road.
it's a train.
It's in
Look at the bear.
Not a family.
Raw.
Black bear trail.
Well, it looks like Cinderella's going to be still.
Oh my gosh, I've heard this song forever.
We're getting us up the hill and back today by hand shoveling all that coal into the firebox. This engine runs today just like she did when she was first built in 1938. On a busy day, this engine burns 5,000 gallons.
I want the world, yeah, I want the world. Yeah, I want it all, said I want the world. Yeah, I want the world. I'm coming to get it, don't care what you heard. Don't care what you heard.